Hi everyone, Yo Mama's Wildlands here. Some exciting news. We had the helicopter lift yesterday, bringing in all our material to have the start of the bunkie we're building out there. I think I've mentioned it before. It's going to be roughly about 12 by 12, and the idea is just to give us a home base. I bought and built some chainsaw mills. So the idea is that as I thin out the bush a bit around there, that I will repurpose the pine trees, make slabs out of them, make boards out of it, and use that to finish building the trapper shack. Yeah, so right now the cabin is 12 by 12, or will be 12 by 12. We have a 16-foot roof, so eventually we can excuse me, extend it to 12 by 16 foot, and then the plan is to add another 8 foot out the back. So we will end up with 8 by 12 for bedrooms, and it will have a small loft which we can either use for storage or for emergency sleeping quarters if we need to. So the exciting part is starting. Once we have the bunkie built, then we'll be doing excursions out to the Crown land that's next to my property. We can also do excursions out to Queen Elizabeth Wildlands, which is to the south of us. And there's also all sorts of ATV trails, so the plan is to do some ATV trips. Anyway, I'm rattling on, so oh yeah, my brother gifted me this selfie stick, so I can actually do selfies now. So hopefully it'll be a little bit better video. So yeah, it's on like Donkey Kong. Video following this is from the actual helicopter lift, so I hope you enjoy that. It's not every day you get to see that, and mind you, it's even more exciting to be on the ground. Yeah, you'll notice on the third lift I almost got wiped out by a load. But anyway, it's all good and fun until someone dies. So cheers. Hopefully you guys will stick with me, and things will get exciting from here. Thanks. Bye. It's on already, isn't it?
No. Over there in the garage.
Oh.
That's the work one.
Crap.
Landscape.
Joshua, do you want to go down? He's landing down there. Did he say the last load was 19?
Yeah, 19.
I knew it was a little bit over 18.
Oh, limit 18?
No, but it's just easier.
Yeah. Number 3.
On the gas pan. That's fine, that's fine, that's fine. Let's drop it there.
Hey folks, just a little note, if you liked it and you're looking forward to seeing more, just hit the subscribe button and maybe give me a thumbs up to let me know what I'm doing, and please comment. I'm always looking forward to see what other people think. Alright, thanks.